Dear students, for the class 9th, our today's topic is chapter 2nd, polynomial. In this topic, today we are taking the topic factorization of algebraic expression. In the factorization, we are using the algebraic identity. And first of all, our first question is factorize 4a square plus 12ab plus 9b square minus 8a minus 12b. So in this question, first of all, the whole square, 4 can be represented 2 square, so 2a whole square, and here 9b square is converted into 3b whole square. So this is the a square and b square, and here 12ab can be converted into plus 2ab. So this is the a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the last two term, minus 4 is common. So minus 4 is common, and 4 2s are 8, then 2a is remaining, and 4 3s are 12, then 3b is remaining. Here 2a, in the next step, 2a plus 3b whole square is for the first part, and minus 4 into 2a plus 3b. Next, 2a plus 3b is common. In the first bracket, 2a plus 3b is common. Here remaining 1 times of 2a plus 3b. In the next term, minus 4 is remaining. So 2a plus 3b and 2a plus 3b minus 4 is the factorization of the given question. Next question is factorize x square plus 3 root 3x minus 30. This question is based on splitting the middle term. For the splitting the middle term, first of all, see the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1, then 1 into constant term is 1 into 30 is 30. Determine the two factors of 30 whose difference is 3 root 3. But 3 can be converted into 10 into 3. But 10 and 3 whose difference is 7. But our requirement is 3 root 3. So see the root 3, then definitely one number can be converted into root 3 into root 3. In place of 10, we can put 2 into 5. So there are 4 numbers, 2 into 5 into root 3 into root 3. But our requirement is the 2 numbers. So determine the factor of 30 whose difference is 3 root 3 and whose multiplication is 30. So the factors are 5 root 3 and another is 2 root 3 whose multiplication is 30, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So we are putting x square. In place of 3 root 3, we can put 5 root 3 minus 2 root 3. And here x, and in place of 30, we can put 5 root 3 into 2 root 3. In the next term, x square plus 5 root 3 into x minus 2 root 3 into x minus 5 root 3 into 2 root 3. Make the two pairs. In the first pair, x is common and remaining term is x plus 5 root 3. In the next pair, 2 root 3 is common and remaining term is x. Both the minus is common, so remaining sign is plus, and 5 root 3 is remaining. Again, x plus 5 root 3 and x plus 5 root 3 is common, and remaining term is x minus 2 root 3. So x plus 5 root 3 and x minus 2 root 3 is the two factors of the given algebraic expression x square plus 3 root 3x minus 30. Our next question is factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. In this type of question, we are using the identity of a plus b whole cube, because a plus b whole cube is, here the identity is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So in this question, making the a cube whole cube of the first two terms, here 8 can be converted to a whole cube, and b is the same, b cube. Here next 3ab, so 3 into 2a into b is the term of, in place of 12a square b plus 6ab square. So 3 into 2a plus b, here is a mistake. Our next question is factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. In this type of question, we are using the identity a plus b whole cube, and a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, but there are 4 terms, so we can multiply 3ab in the a plus b, then a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. And again we are arranging our question according for the identity. So first two term is whole cube, so make the whole cube. 8a cube can be converted into 2a whole cube plus b cube. Again 3a square, 2a square into b, in place of b is b, and these are equivalent for 12a square b, because 2 square is 4 and 4 3s are 12. Again 3a, in place of a there are here 2a, and b square, so 3 2s are 6 ab square, and this term is equivalent for a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and this identity is equivalent for a plus b whole cube. So here 2a plus b whole cube, so 2a plus b whole cube is the factor of the given algebraic expression. Our next question is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square, and we want to factorize it. So for here we are using the identity a minus b whole cube, and a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Here we can using the multiplication of 3ab into a minus b, and directly we can use it also. So a cube minus b cube multiplied 3ab into a minus 3a square b, and minus minus plus and 3ab square. So first of all, make the whole cube of the first two terms. 27 can be converted into 3 cube, and 125a cube is converted into 5a whole cube. So a cube minus b cube, again minus 3 and a square 3 square, in place of b 5a, and it will be equivalent to 135a. So 3 square is 9, and 9 into 3 is 27, and 27 multiplied by 5 is 135. again plus 3ab square. In place of a 3, in place of b 5a, and its whole square, and it will be equivalent to 225a square. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 square is 25, and 25 into 9 is 225, and along with a square. So next term is equivalent to a minus b whole cube, because a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equivalent for a minus b whole cube. So here 3 minus 5a whole cube. So 3 minus 5a is the 3 factors of the given expression. Our next question. Today we are taking all the factorized question of the different based on the different identities. Our next question is based on our question is x cube minus 8y cube plus 27z cube plus 18xyz. And this type of question is based on this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and this is equivalent for a plus b plus c in the first bracket, and in the second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the factorization of the given identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So first of all, rearrange our question for the LHS part. Here a cube in place of a x cube, again plus b cube, so minus can be converted into minus 2y whole cube, because minus 2 cube is equivalent to minus 8, because minus multiplied in 3 times, its answer is minus. Again 27 is the 3 cube, so 3z cube. This is the a cube plus b cube plus c cube, minus 3a, a means x, again b means minus 2y, and here c means 3z. So minus plus, this is plus, 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18, and along with x, y, z. So our LHS part is equivalent for our question. So we can put the RHS part a plus b plus c. Here x plus and again minus 2y, and plus c, in place of c 3z is for the first bracket. In the second bracket a square is x square, again b square means minus 2y square, and here c square, c in place of c 3z